Welcome to new session, and in this session we are going to learn Sketcher in FreeCAD. So here I have activated my Sketcher workbench. Now I will create a new file, and I can see that all the sketching tools has been inactive because I have not created the sketch. So first I will click on create sketch and select this exit plane because it is a front as per my cube, and I will say OK. So now I am in the Sketcher. So as per our 2D drawing, I will keep this diameter 20 at my origin of the sketch. So I will select here circle and I will draw a circle, and this circle is unconstrained, so I will constrain it. So I will first select my circle and then go to the diameter constraint, and I will give my dimension 20. And now if you see that this R30 is a concentric with a diameter 20, so I will select this arc and draw a rough arc, and then as it is concentric, so I will select center point of my arc and circle and give here coincidence constraint. And now I will select my arc and give it a radial dimension which is R30, and now we will draw a horizontal line at the top, and then we make this two arc R15 on the both the side, and I will give tangent relation, tangent, and I will uncheck once I add the constraint. So I say OK. Now I will select this arc and line and I will give tangent constraint. So here I will make these 2 points vertical constraint, and now I will connect this point and this point with arc. So I will select arc, and then I will add tangent relation, now I will give my dimension 85 from this center to this center, and this center to this center is 90. So I will select these 2 points and give my dimension 90, and now these two centers are at horizontal positions, means these two center are at the same line. So I will select this point and this point and give horizontal constraint, and I will move my dimension outside. Now I will connect these 2 points with a line. So I will select line and I will join these two, and I will add the tangent relation, tangent, tangent. Now this whole center and this arc center is 40, so I will select this point and this point and I will give my vertical dimension 40. Now this arc is R50, so I will give radial dimension 50. So here is some conflict. So I will delete this vertical constraint, and now I will give 50. So here we will give it a R15. So give R15. So our sketch is fully constrained, but we have to make this slot as well. So for this, so we can see that the slot center is in the same line with this dimension 40. So we will go here and select slot tool and draw a slot, and now the slot center is concentric with R15. So I will select this slot center and center of my arc and merge these two centers, and it is a 12 diameter, so radius will be 6. So but I will give the 2-point dimensions, give it 12, and center to center is 40. So we have adapted all the entities of the sketch in our FreeCAD sketcher as per our 2D drawings. So we have successfully converted our 2D sketch in FreeCAD sketcher, and you can see that all the dimension turn into the green. So this is all about this lesson. Thank you for watching.